guys, look at this phenomena, man. So it's a frosting. It's a very thick frosting today happened. Look at that, how thick it is, guys. So I'm right now at New Horizon Mall, and you can see the Bass Pro and Crossar and Mill Mall in the background. So it's looking stunning, man. Neat and clean and milky. Man, look at those trees. It's just stunning, you guys. Look at that, how thick. Last night there was a very high fog, and then that fog into that frosting, right? The night especially, wow. Look at that. So beautiful, so beautiful. Right now it is negative 11 degree. And it's snowing as well. Wow, man. What a beauty. Yeah, look at that behind the Grocer and Mill Mall, man.
People are busy.
Yeah.
Holiday shopping.
Wow. See that?
Oh my God.
Very beautiful, man. Very
The
beautiful.
nature.
Look at that thick frost. Wow. It's a natural wonder of the world, guys. Wow. Look this cozy bunny, guys. Can you find out? This is a beautiful Canadian winter, man. It's a negative 15 right now. And oh man, look at this bunny, man. I think so, focus it. For some reason my camera is not working, or what's happened. But wow, how he camouflage herself. Oh man, this is Canadian beautiful winter, guys. Anyways, I thought I want to share this phenomenon with you, and thank you very much for the watching. Enjoy Star Food. See you again.
Thanks for watching.